BvS10 Beowulf. The first vehicle you're going to see today is a Swedish product developed by BAE Systems, a British multinational defence, security and aerospace company. If you look at the global market of articulated all-terrain vehicles, you'll see that this model is one of the fastest and most powerful. Also, the manufacturer highlights its durability and reliability. The BvS10 Beowulf is equally good for both military and special missions, such as infantry support, firefighting in hard-to-reach areas, and rescue operations. The BvS10 Beowulf can move on all types of surfaces, even the most difficult and challenging ones. Also, it can be used as an amphibious transport without prior training. It easily overcomes long distances up to 1,000 kilometers. The payload is 8 tons as well. The all-terrain vehicle, as well as the people inside it, are protected from adverse weather too. The BvS10 Beowulf operates in a temperature range from -45 degrees to +49 degrees Celsius. Thus, it can be used absolutely anywhere, even in the tundra or the desert. Rally Fighter. The next car on our list is unique, not only because it's a hybrid between an SUV and a racing car. Even the story of its creation is amazing. A little over 10 years ago, the company Local Motors was founded in the US. Its goals were not exactly ordinary. They wanted to allow customers to assemble their own cars from pre-selected parts. The design process was carried out online and was open for comments. The Rally Fighter is the first car built this way. Its project was selected from 7,000 others listed on the website. The car was built from parts of various companies, mostly Ford, but also Mercedes, Mazda and Honda. The weight is approximately 1.5 tons. As for cross-country ability, it's worth noting the suspension travel in the front is 46 cm and 51 cm at the rear. However, this parameter is adjustable. The engine delivers 430 horsepower. On steep slopes, the Rally Fighter is able to take off at a height of more than 4 meters. However, its shock absorbers are designed for such purposes, so you don't have to worry about a hard landing. The 2021 Ram 1500 TRX. This amazing off-road vehicle was introduced just a few days ago. The manufacturer is the American company Ram Trucks, and they call the 2021 Ram 1500 TRX the fastest, most powerful and muscular-looking pickup in the world. And when you look at this impressive car, you understand that they really mean it. The towing capacity of the Ram 1500 TRX is 3,700 kilograms, while its payload is 600 kilograms. The vehicle features a V8 engine with a capacity of 702 horsepower. It allows for speeding up to 190 km per hour. The whole presentation of the car was based on its incredible, unprecedented cross-country ability. Every detail is designed to achieve this. For example, the vehicle features a 30 cm ground clearance and large wheels with a diameter of 89 cm. And also, you can choose between different drive and off-road modes, including sport, snow, rock, and mud or sand. Despite looking powerful and cumbersome, the Ram 1500 TRX is at the same time maneuverable, responsive, and lightweight, so it can literally take off in the air. Ghe-O Rescue. Here is a Romanian-made super SUV. Every detail of Ghe-O Rescue was thoroughly designed to create a car for emergency situations. The Ghe-O Rescue will keep moving when any other car stops. Floods, huge snowdrifts, and even fire are not obstacles for this SUV. The tests of the car took several years. The vehicle was tested in the mud, on forest roads, and in places unreachable for other cars. The tests were watched by firefighters, racers, and rescuers. Their comments were taken into account in further development. The engine is a 6-litre V8 with 500 horsepower. In addition, the Ghe-O Rescue can be equipped with caterpillar tracks, snow chains, or pneumatic tank pillows to cross water and snow plow. Especially for firefighters, the car can be equipped with a 620-litre water tank and fire pumps. Sherp. At first sight, if you look at it from a distance, Sherp may seem like a toy car, but of course it is not. And despite its somewhat funny appearance, Sherp, developed by Russian and Ukrainian engineers, has outstanding technical characteristics. An airtight body, 800-litre tyres, a tyre inflation system – all these features give Sherp a high buoyancy rate. It's also able to go on ice on its own without any problems. The tyre pressure is adjustable and can thus be customized to suit different ground conditions. Sherp can also climb steep slopes up to 35 degrees. The load capacity depends on the configuration, but can reach up to a ton. Its modest size gives the ATV maneuverability. In addition, it's able to turn almost on the spot. Forest rocks, stones, sand, swamp and dunes – the list of surfaces suitable for driving on is really long. And even if two wheels fail while driving, Sherp will still continue moving. The speed on land is up to 40 km per hour. On water, it's up to 6 km per hour. Bureko 6x6. When you look at this car, you can see why reviewers call this Czech vehicle an ATV on steroids. The six-wheeled Bureko really impresses you with its size. The basis for its creation was the Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck, which of course was modified and improved. The designers worked on the shape, making it look more square. The car also has an updated four-wheel drive and giant suspension rings, a special exhaust system, racing brakes, winch and chassis protection. You can choose all these details when ordering. However, it can be absolutely anything. The maximum capacity of the Bureko 6x6 is 986 horsepower. The 2020 Lesnik Profi. This snow and swamp-going vehicle was designed to transport people and cargoes through wetlands, ice and lakes. It easily tackles water obstacles and has no problems when moving on weak soils. The most remarkable features are the ultra-low-pressure 160cm tall tyres, the all-metal body with heat insulation, and the interior finishing. The comfort of passengers is ensured by the sealed doors and windows, a long wheelbase and full suspension. Therefore, you can even spend the night inside the Lesnik Profi. It'll not only provide enough space, but also protect you from dangerously low temperatures. The manufacturer offers several models with diesel and gasoline injection engines. Their capacities are 44 and 81 horsepower, respectively. Torsus Praetoriah. By the way, not only passenger cars and trucks can have an impressive cross-country ability. Praetoriah from the Czech company Torsus, for example, is a bus. It can accommodate as many as 38 people, but despite this, it easily deals with rough off-road conditions. The road clearance is 40 centimeters. The airtight body allows entering water up to a depth of 90 centimeters, and the 6.9-litre engine has a capacity of up to 290 horsepower. Praetoriah was designed to deliver people to places and areas that are difficult to access. For example, it can transport workers in the oil and gas, forestry and mining industries. It's also an ideal option for rescue operations, expeditions and tourism such as safaris. In any situation and on any road, the Praetoriah will give its passengers an optimal high level of comfort and safety. Tomcar TX. The last vehicle of today's video is a powerful UTV, also known as side-by-side. It's an open cross-country vehicle with car-like steering and inline arrangement of seats. The driver and passenger sit side by side, hence the name. The Tomcar TX shows an impressive ground clearance of just over 43 centimeters. It also has independent suspension and adjustable hydraulic shock absorbers. These features, plus the long suspension travel, gave the UTV a very low center of gravity. Thanks to it, it's incredibly stable and steerable and gives the driver comfort and confidence. The TX is a series that includes 3 similar models. Its payload ranges from 1,130 to 1,220 kilograms. The towing capacity ranges from 2,270 to 2,450 kilograms.
Hi friends, I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button and keep supporting us. Thank you.